Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best silicone spoons is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any modern kitchen, and today we're diving deep into what makes a set truly stand out, ensuring your cooking experience is not only efficient but also enjoyable, as we explore the features that matter most to home chefs and culinary enthusiasts alike. Number 5. Kitchen Utensil Set, Silicone and Acacia Wood. Elevate your cooking experience with our premium kitchen utensil set. Crafted with high-quality silicone and natural acacia wood, these tools are designed for both durability and style. This comprehensive 5-piece set includes everything you need: a spoon, spatula, turner, and a slotted spoon. Each piece is thoughtfully designed for your culinary needs. Made with the highest standard silicone and sturdy acacia wood handles, these utensils offer a perfect balance and comfortable grip. They are built to withstand daily use for a lifetime. The silicone parts are heat-resistant up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit 240 degrees Celsius, ensuring safety during high-temperature cooking. Plus, their non-stick surface protects your cookware from scratches. Each handle showcases the unique natural pattern of acacia wood, adding a touch of rustic modern farmhouse charm to your kitchen. They make a wonderful and thoughtful gift. To maintain their beauty and longevity, please hand wash these utensils and avoid soaking them in water or exposing them to extreme temperatures. Do not place them in the dishwasher. What we like. If you love a rustic, farmhouse aesthetic in your kitchen, this set is for you. The natural acacia wood handles offer a unique, timeless appeal and are crafted for a comfortable grip. Choose this set if you want cooking tools that are as beautiful as they are functional, adding a touch of earthy texture to your culinary space. What people say. The spoon is very sturdy. No flexing when you scoop up heavier food. The edge has a little flex to it. This spatula conformed to the edge of the pan when I was stirring so nothing stuck and dried out. These utensils are very easy to clean. Even if food dries on them, it washes right off with warm soapy water. Number 4. Zulay Kitchen Wooden Spoon Set. Experience top-notch craftsmanship with our premium wooden utensils. This set includes 6 essential pieces, ergonomically shaped for perfect functionality and an elegant touch to your kitchen. Maintaining these utensils is a breeze. Made from durable teak wood, they are water-resistant and easy to clean. Simply rinse and hang or store upright to preserve their beautiful gloss. Protect your precious cookware with our beautifully crafted wooden utensils. Made from dense teak wood, they are soft to the touch, lightweight, and won't cause scratches on your non-stick surfaces. Looking for the perfect gift? These aesthetically pleasing wooden utensils are ideal for housewarmings, birthdays, or holidays. They add class and sophistication to any kitchen. We stand by the quality of our wooden utensil set with a lifetime guarantee. You can be confident in their durability, and we're here to make it right if any issues arise. What we like. For those who appreciate classic elegance and lasting quality, this teak wood set is an excellent choice. The smooth, ergonomically shaped handles are comfortable to use, and the close-grained hardwood ensures durability and a beautiful finish. If you're looking for a sophisticated set that's built to last and comes with a lifetime guarantee, this is the one. What people say. The wood is beautiful and so smooth. It's easy to cook with and to clean. They're easy to use in stainless or non-stick cookware. The wood is beautiful and the utensils feel solid and well-made, not flimsy at all. They have a good weight to them and look great laid out on the counter. I also like that they're safe to use with non-stick cookware. The spoons feel solid, smooth, well-made, and they're gentle on my cookware. Number 3. Boao 4PCS Silicone Cooking Spoons. Introducing a set of 4 large silicone cooking spoons, perfect for all your culinary needs. This package includes both serving and slotted spoons in a classic black color. Crafted from high-quality silicone and nylon, these utensils are heat-resistant up to 250 degrees Celsius and completely non-toxic. Their smooth edges ensure safety for both your hands and cookware. Designed with comfort in mind, each spoon features an ergonomic handle with a hanging hole. This makes them easy to grip and store, saving valuable kitchen space. These spoons are an indispensable kitchen accessory, suitable for all types of cookware. Their gentle edges won't scratch non-stick surfaces, making them ideal for stirring, mixing, and serving. From baking and frying to mixing batters and serving ice cream, these spoons are incredibly versatile. Their large heads are perfect for scooping and draining, helping you create delicious meals. Cleanup is a breeze as these spoons are completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. What we like. If you need versatile spoons for both everyday cooking and serving, this set is a practical option. The large spoon heads are great for scooping and draining, and the silicone material is heat-resistant and safe for non-stick cookware. Choose these if you prioritize ease of cleaning, as they are dishwasher safe and suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks. What people say. Silicone is designed for very high temperature use. Silicone is an excellent thermal insulator, so unlike with metal or even most plastic utensils, you can consistently handle them no matter how long the working end of the utensil has been resting in the hot cooking space. They are perfect length and very sturdy. Number 2. KRUK 10 PCS Silicone Utensil Set. Introducing the KRUK 10-piece professional silicone utensil set, designed to be your ultimate kitchen companion. It includes everything you need for convenient and simple cooking. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade, BPA-free silicone, these utensils ensure your health and safety. You can cook with confidence, knowing they won't react with your food. Don't worry about accidental contact with hot pots. These utensils are heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring they won't melt or compromise your family's health. Built with a stainless steel core for enhanced durability, they won't bend or deform. The soft silicone exterior protects your cookware from scratches, offering precise control. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick silicone. They resist stains and odors, and the convenient hanging holes on the handles make storage simple. From turning to ladling, this set meets all your cooking needs. They are a reliable and long-lasting alternative to traditional kitchen tools. What we like. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that covers all your cooking needs, this 10-piece collection is ideal. Made from food-grade silicone with a durable stainless steel core, these utensils are heat-resistant and built to last without warping. They are also seamless and easy to clean, making them a convenient choice for any home cook. What people say. These I have washed several times now and they wash so well and are holding up amazing. I have gotten rid of my other utensils in replacement of these. And they look amazing on my counter being so colorful. Classic black means no worries about staining, and it includes some nice tools I've never had before, like the mini spatula. Love it. Tools are perfect sizes, not too large, bulky, or too small, holding up to daily use and dishwasher cleaning. Bright pop of color and kitchen happiness. Number 1. MIBOTE 17 PCS Silicone Cooking Utensils Set. Introducing the MIBOTE 17-piece Silicone Cooking Utensil Set, designed to elevate your culinary experience. This comprehensive set is your perfect kitchen companion. Crafted from the highest quality food-grade silicone, these utensils are built to last. They won't break, bend, or melt, ensuring healthier cooking and easier cleanup. The soft silicone heads are designed to be gentle on your non-stick pots and pans. Say goodbye to scratches and damaged cookware. Enjoy a comfortable grip with premium, renewable wooden handles. They are rust-proof and feature a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Worry-free cooking is here. These utensils can withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, so accidental contact with hot pots is no problem. This complete set covers all your cooking needs, with each piece designed for a unique purpose. Prepare to savor your meals even more with these exceptional kitchen tools. What we like. For the ultimate kitchen upgrade, this extensive 17-piece set with a convenient holder is a fantastic choice. It includes everything you need for any culinary task, featuring high-quality silicone heads and premium wooden handles. If you want a complete, organized, and stylish collection that protects your cookware and offers exceptional heat resistance, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The silicone is high quality and doesn't scratch my non-stick pans. These spoons are heat resistant and don't melt when I leave them on the side of the hot pan. The ergonomic design makes them comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.